Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve the second exercise of chapter integers. First question, using the number line write the integers which is 3 more than 5. So first we will draw a number line and we will represent 5 and we have to show 3 more than 5. Whenever we have been told to move more than any particular number, we will move towards the right hand side. So from 5, if we move towards the 3 step, we will reach at 8. Now, next 5 more than minus 5. So first we will be at minus 5 and then from minus 5 we will move 5 steps towards the right because 5 more than minus 5. So we will reach at 0. Next 6 less than 2. In order to make 6 less than 2, first we will be at 2 and we will move towards the left because we have been told to make 6 less than 2. So from 2, if we move towards the left hand side by 6 steps, we will reach at minus 4. Now the last one, 3 less than minus 2. So first we will be at minus 2 and from minus 2 we will move towards the left hand side by 3 steps. So we will reach at minus 5. Use number line and add the following integers. Now, in order to add these integers, we should make use of these rules. Now, first one, 9 plus minus 6. And we all know that plus and minus is minus. So this will be 9 minus 6. Now, first we will draw a number line and first from 0 we will move towards the 9. Now minus 6. So whenever we are doing any subtraction, there is minus, we will move towards the left hand side because we all know that all the negative integers lies towards the left hand side of the 0. So if we move 6 steps towards the left hand side from 9, we will reach at 3. So answer for this one is 3. Now 5 plus minus 11. So this will be 5 plus and minus will be minus 11. Now first we will be at 5. From 0 we will move to 5. Then we will move towards the left hand side by 11 steps. So when we move 11 steps towards the left hand side, we will reach at minus 6. Now, minus 1 plus minus 7. So this will be minus 1 plus and minus will become minus. So first from 0 we will move towards minus 1 and from minus 1 we will move again towards the left hand side because we are going in the direction of minus 7. So we will reach at minus 8. Now in this minus 5 plus 10. First from 0 we will move towards the minus 5 and from minus 5 we are going in the direction of positive 10 steps. So when we come towards the right hand side from minus 5 by 10 steps, we will reach at 5. Now this one. So this will be minus 1 plus and minus will become minus 2 plus and minus will become minus 3. Now from 0 we will move towards minus 1 first and then again minus 2. That means we have to move towards the left hand side because it is minus 2. So we will reach at minus 3. Now again minus 3. So we will move again 3 steps towards the left hand side. From minus 3 we will reach at minus 6. In this, so first I will write minus 2 plus 8 plus and minus will become minus 4. Now first we will move at minus 2 from 0 to minus 2. Now 8 steps towards the right hand side. So from minus 2, if we move 8 steps towards the right hand side, we will reach at 6. Then we will move towards the left hand side by 4 steps because it is minus 4. So whenever we have minus, we move towards the left hand side, and whenever we have plus, we move towards the right hand side. So answer for this one will be 2. Next one, add without using number line. So in this case we are going to make use of these rules. That is, whenever we have numbers with the same sign, we are going to add those numbers and answer will always have same sign. If there are numbers which have different signs, then we are going to subtract the numbers and answer will always have the sign of greater absolute value. Now 11 plus minus 7. So here 11 plus and minus will become minus. And we all know that 11 minus 7 is 4. In this case, minus 13 plus and plus will become plus 18. Now here we have two numbers with different sign and we have to add this integer, that is minus 13 plus 18. So now let's forget about these signs as of now. If we consider these two numbers, then 13 will be less than 18. Yes. Now answer will have positive sign only because 18 is greater and 18 is having positive sign over here. Now we are going to perform normal subtraction, that is we will remove smaller number from greater number. So 18 minus 13 will be 5. So my answer will be positive 5. Now next, minus 10 plus and plus will be plus 19. Again different sign, so we are going to subtract. But my answer will have sign of this is 10 and this is 19. Now 10 is less than 19. We avoid the sign and check the which number is greater or smaller. So 10 is smaller, 19 is greater and 19 is having positive sign. So my answer will have positive sign. Now subtraction, that is 19 minus 10. 19 minus 10 will be 9. So my answer will be positive 9. Now in this case, minus 250 plus and plus will be plus 150. Now my answer will have sign of 250 and 150, and we all know that 250 is greater than 150. 250 is having negative sign, so my answer will have negative sign. Now we are going to subtract smaller number from greater number. My answer will be 100. So my final answer will be minus 100 because it will have sign of 250, that is minus. Now in this, minus 380 plus and minus will become minus 270. Now as you can see here, both the integers have same sign. So whenever we have same sign, we add the integers and give answer same sign. So this will be 380 plus 270. The answer will be 650. Last one, minus 217 plus and minus will become minus, so minus 100. Integers with same sign, that means we are going to add and answer will have same sign. So when we add 217 and 100, my answer will be 317. So my final answer will be negative 317. Now let's solve the next. Find the sum of the following numbers. A, 137 and minus 354. Finding sum means adding these numbers. So now I write 137 plus minus 354. And we all know that 137 plus and minus will be minus. So 354. Now we have integers with different sign because this is plus and this is minus. And when we have integers with different sign, we subtract the integers. And answer will get the sign of greater number. Now let's consider these two numbers first. That is 137 and 354. Now in these two numbers, we all know that 354 is greater number. So answer will have negative sign. Now we are going to subtract this number, that is 354 minus 137. subtracting smaller number from greater number. 4 minus 7 we cannot do, so this 5 will give 1 over here, 10, so it will become 14. So this will become 4. 14 minus 7 will be 7. 4 minus 3 will be 1. 3 minus 2 will be 2. So my answer will be negative 270. Minus 52 and 52. We have to find the sum. So minus 52 plus 52. Now you can see that we have integers with different sign. So we are going to subtract these two numbers. 52 and 52 both are same numbers. So when we minus 52 minus 52, we'll get answer as 0. And 0 does not have any sign. So it is not positive nor negative. Now this one, minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. We are finding the sum. Okay. Now these two have the same sign. So first we can add these two numbers. So I write here this number as it is. Now first let's add these two numbers. That is 192 plus 39. Same sign. Now 2 plus 9 will be 11 plus 1 13 plus, so this will be 231. Now as you can see here, we have integers with different sign. So now we are going to subtract these numbers and my answer will have sign of greater number. So let's consider first number 312 and 231, and we all know that 312 is greater number, so my answer will have negative sign. Now let's subtract this number. 2 minus 1 will be 1, so this will give 10 over here. So this will be 11. 11 minus 3 will be 8. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So my answer will be 81. Now in this, minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. And we all know that plus and minus will become minus. So minus 50 minus 200 plus 300. And now we know that same sign, then we can add and answer will have same sign. So answer of this will have negative sign. So we are going to add these two numbers. Answer will be 250. So this will be 250 plus 300. Different sign, then subtract and answer will have sign of greater number. So let's compare these two numbers. 300 is greater than 250. So my answer will have positive sign because 300 is positive. Even if we don't write this positive, it's fine. Okay. Now we are going to subtract 250 from 300. Our answer will be 50. So the final answer will be 50. So this is how we solve these problems. Now let's go for the next question. Find the value of the following. Minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Now I'll write this number as minus 7. Plus and minus will be minus plus 4 plus 16. Now as you can see, these two numbers have same sign. So we'll add these two numbers and answer will have same sign, that is minus 7 plus 9 will be 16. So same sign again. Then we are going to add these two numbers. So 14 plus 16 will be 20 and answer will have same sign, will be plus 20. Different sign, then we are going to subtract and answer will have the sign of greater number. So compare these two numbers, 16 and 20. 20 is greater, so 20 is having positive sign, so my answer will have positive sign. Okay? So no need to write positive sign over here, because if we don't write positive sign, it can be easily understood that it is a positive number. So now we are going to subtract 16 from 20. Answer will be 4. So answer for this one will be 4. Now this one, 37 plus and minus will be minus 2, plus and minus will be minus 65, plus and minus will be minus 8. Now as you can see here, all these numbers have same sign. That means we can add all these numbers and we can keep the same sign for their answer. So first I will write this 37 as it is over here. Now answer of this addition will be negative because all the numbers are having same sign. So we are going to add these numbers. So 2 plus 8 will be 10 plus this 65. Answer will be 75. So it will be minus 75 because same sign, we are going to keep it over here. Now different sign, then we are going to subtract the numbers and answer will have sign of greater number. So now let's compare this number 37 and 75. We are only comparing the absolute value, it means we are avoiding this sign. Now we all know that 75 is greater than 37, so we are going to subtract now 75 minus 37, and here my answer will have minus sign because 75 is greater and 75 is having minus sign, so my answer will have minus sign. Now subtraction will be 15 minus 7, that will be 8, 6 minus 3 will be 3. Answer will be 38. So that's it for today. I hope you all have understood all the questions. Thank you.